When I got out of prison, about 2 years after I was out, I became a fellow at MIT Media Lab. And I remember going to the lab for the first time, and I was so intimidated. I remember one time being there and the director seeing that I was a little bit uncomfortable. And he was like, "You have a lot to contribute here." And I couldn't quite take that in until I was working with a student in the lab, and he was trying to solve a problem, and I had an answer that actually worked. And I remember just going away from that, like, man, that answer was so obvious to me. Like, how could he not see that? And then I realized in that moment, that's what iteration is where you get a chance to work on an idea, you figure it out, you work collaboratively with other people so that they can see things that you may not see. And I was like, man, this happens in prison all the time. Like, we're creating, we're innovating, we're taking whatever tools we have at our disposal to make life easier for us. I created a prison hack challenge at MIT Media Lab. And the goal was to present them with 5 design challenges based on problems we had to solve in prison. And everything from making a tattoo gun out of a tape player motor, ink pen, and guitar string, and on to making a lighter out of batteries and wire. And so that ability to watch these students try to solve this, and then knowing that in the environment I came from, people saw this stuff in 30 seconds because it's survival, really reminded me of how much intelligence, genius, ingenuity, resourcefulness we're leaving in society